an application problem using the law of cosines. So what we have are three stands, and you don't need to write anything but the picture down in this word problem. And there's an angle between that's 140 degrees, and then there's two distances across the stands, 85 yards and 90 yards. And what we want to do is find out what is the length of that line opposite to 140 degrees. So we're going to use the law of cosines. Alrighty, so if you remember the law of cosines, you can find a side length, A, equaling the square root of b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of A. So some of you may want to just write down the values or the sides. So this would be your angle A. The side opposite is your unknown, which you're going to solve for. And then these two sides really don't matter. This would be your side and side. And then this would be your angle C and side, or angle B. You don't need those. So we're going to go ahead and throw those numbers in now. So side A is what we don't know. We throw in our values for B and C. So 85 squared plus 90 squared minus 2 times 85 times 90. And then cosine, and our angle is 140 degrees. The rest is simplifying and using your calculator. So 85 squared plus 90 squared. We'll just take care of that first. And we get 15,325. And then 2 times 85 times 90. 15,300. And we're timesing it by the cosine of 140 degrees. Be very careful when you simplify the next step. Put in 15,325 minus 15,300 times the cosine of 140 degrees. Don't forget to finish off the parentheses. What you get, and make sure you're doing this with your calculator too, 27,045.48. Now we have to square root that answer. So be comfortable with your square root button on your calculator. Take the square root of 27,045.48, and you will get 164.5. That is your A. So let's go back up, 164.5. Yards is the length across from stand 1 to stand 3.